Today I discuss some music questions. Okay. First of is the definition of music. Music is an art form and cultural activity whose medium is sound. Music is an art form and cultural activity whose medium is sound. What is classical music? What is classical music? Classical music is art music produced or rooted in the traditions of Western culture. Classical music is art music produced or rooted in the traditions of Western culture. What is raga? Raga or rag is a melodic form work for improvisations, a kind akin to a melodic mood in Indian classical music. Raga or rag is a melodic form work for improvisation akin to a melodic mood in Indian classical music. What is sargam? Sargam is refers to singing the notes instead of the words of a composition. Sargam is refers to singing the notes instead of the words of a composition. How many surs of a sargam? How many surs of a sargam? Seven sur in a sargam. Seven sur in a sargam. Let's Sahaja is sa, Rishava is re, Gandharva is ga, Madhyama is ma, Panchama is pa, Dhaivat is dha, and Nishat is ni. Which book was composed by Rabindranath? Which book was composed by Rabindranath? Gitobitan. How many songs share they are in the Gitobitan? 2233 songs. 2233 songs. How many parts of the Gitobitan? There are 6 parts of Gitobitan. There are 6 parts of Gitobitan, like Puja, Prem, Prakriti, Swadesh, Anushthanik, Vichitra, and Nityanatya. How many volumes are in Sharavitan? 64 volumes in Sharavitan. 64 volumes. O Amar Desher Mati. This song is in which part of the Gitobitan? Swadesh. Name 5 musical instruments. Name 5 musical instruments like harmonium, sitar, tanpura, violin. What is called Arohan and Avrohan? Arohan and Avrohan. Starting of the sargam is called Arohan and ending of the sargam is Avrohan. Starting of the sargam is called Arohan and ending of the sargam is Avrohan. Rhythmic instrument. Rhythmic instrument which one? Drums, tabla, percussion. Drums, tabla, percussion. String instrument. Violin, banjo, mandolin, tanpura. Violin, banjo, mandolin, tanpura. How many types of music genres? How many types of music genres? 1264. 1264. Lata Mangeshkar was awarded Padma Bhushan in which year? 1969. 1969. Next is, who among the following in accomplished vocalist? Dinanath Mishra. Who was following is the percussion instrument? The theory of classical music is discussed in Samveda. The theory of classical music is discussed in Samveda. Anirudh Pal Associate in Tabla. Now, how many ragas in classical music? 300 ragas. How many ragas in classical music? 300 ragas. Who amongst the following in renowned in Hindustani classical music? Hariprasad Chaurasia. Hariprasad Chaurasia. Name 5 ragas in classical music. Yaman, Malkosh, Darwari, Bhara, Bhairavi, Tilakkamad, etc. Thank you.